Hello YouTube, it is October 12th, 2018, and I'm surprised I'm even able to do this video today. Fortunately, Hurricane Michael spared us. You know, we still in North Carolina is recovering from Hurricane Florence. My internet was out for a solid 2 weeks the last time the hurricane hit, and then when the power flicked off yesterday, I said, oh hell. But fortunately, it clicked immediately back on, and we didn't have nothing to worry about here. We didn't get no wind damage, no flooding, nothing. So thank goodness, because y'all know I got some business videos to showcase y'all on my business channel, LaJuan Goldsboro. Check that out, be down below. And then on my personal vlog channel, we got some talks to educate y'all about as well. And then my latest video, I've been testing out my global skin solutions. I just got finished putting another ceramicide cream on with using gentle facial cleanser. So I'm still testing out the global skin solutions, and I will give y'all an update on that. But I'm here to talk about a fellow beautician today. For y'all to know, I am a licensed board certified beautician, and I had to come out with a video earlier last month on Kim Kimble. Kim Kimble is a legend in the game, and people were getting it misconstrued when Tokyo sent for Nicki Minaj by calling out Kim Kimble's hairstyle. For whatever reason, people thought Nicki Minaj was in her feelings. I'm like, Nicki Minaj ain't in that type of bitch, first of all. Well, I didn't say that, but I was thinking Nicki Minaj ain't that type of bitch to be insensitive to fire somebody off of the X recommendation, because it's like, bitch, she no longer working with you. So even if she couldn't stand Kim Kimble style that day, she might keep Kim Kimble on just to spite your motherfucking ass. So it wouldn't make sense why she would let the former hired help fire darn on Kim Kimble. That didn't make no type of sense, especially in such a public manner. Nicki can be very, irrational. She can be very flippant, but I've never seen Nicki Minaj go after somebody in such an outlandish way. So that did not make sense. Like, for somebody to attack somebody like Kim Kimble, because Kim don't send for nobody. Now you send for her, it might be a different story. Kim Kimble don't back down. She like me, honey. But anyways, I seen so many people darn on misconstruing the story, talking about Nicki Minaj fired Kim and got her a replacement stylist. And now, mind you, I follow both Nicki Minaj and Kim Kimble, so I seen this shit go play all the way out, and I'm looking confused. I'm like, what is y'all talking about? Nicki Minaj liked the post from Kim Kimble, and I got the whole video, dissecting that. I said, if she fired her, why would Nicki Minaj like the post that Kim said, calling out darn on Tokyo being a bootleg darn on stylist and unlicensed, and darn on trying to be messy? So if she was siding with Tokyo Stylez, why would she like the post that Kim did? And I mean, I've seen top people darn gonna getting the story wrong. I seen Expressive, I seen my girl Lovely T. I'm like, everybody not overlook the fact that darn gone Tokyo no longer works with darn gone Nicki. Nicki liked the post with Kim, and I never seen neither side actually call out the person. Y'all ran with it and assumed that they had a disagreement, but both of them were saying Tokyo's name, but they never said no shit towards each other. So I said, you know what, give it about a couple months, and whenever you see the next style, people are going to be eating their words. Sure enough, a month later, these pictures done came out right here.
Stop the track, let me stay fast. Stop the track, let me stay fast.
So as y'all seen from them pictures, which I will annotate because I'm currently recording from my camera, so it's different for me versus when y'all see it. But honey, let me dissect these pictures right quick, because I'm not looking at them at the same time that y'all looking at them. It looked like Kim done stepped her game up. Said, bitch, y'all won't be talking about my motherfucking doggone looks this motherfucking go round. Where's my screen capture? Y'all know I got so many pictures up in this phone that don't make sense. And see, now this is what I'm talking about. See, Kim, you did that right there. Now, of course, y'all going to see the uploaded version when I edit it into the camera. But see, this is what I'm talking about. You don't need super thick hair. That is motherfucking unrealistic. This looks motherfucking realistic. Now, Kim, you did this right here. It looked like you must have listened to my video as well, because I said it wasn't nothing wrong with the thickness. Ain't nobody trying to have 10 bundles up in their motherfucking hair trying to look like My Little Pony. Her natural hair density is the same fucking length. So it's like, why would you make it unrealistic to her? The goal is to make it look like her hair. And darn on also, Kim, I seen you listen to me as well with this darn on pardon. We done finally got a part in the damn wig. So, honey, shout out to darn on Kim. I take back what I said the last video. You done stepped your motherfucking game up. And that's what it's all about. When it comes to actually licensed, board certified beauticians, and before y'all try to come for my motherfucking darn on credibility, honey, I just got my license back in the mail, honey. I'm legal to 2019, bitch. Y'all know October just passed, so we had to update our motherfucking licenses, honey. Make sure y'all don't get my address. This the only one y'all need to see right here. What do that date say, honey? 2019, bitch. But anyways, y'all know I still, give out, hair advice. I was gonna upgrade my license to cosmetologist. I still might, but right now I like dealing with skincare. That's where I am the best at right now. So I might upgrade to cosmetology, but I still know what I'll be talking about. And like I said, we can all learn from each other. Kim darn gone came across my video and darn gone finally learned how to put that part up in that hair and blend it in with the foundation. Make sure this ain't no moon hairline. Once again, let's dissect this hairline. See, it's not too much of a moon hairline. You got a little bit of the you got the hair going down like this. Honey, you did this. This is what I like to see from motherfucking Kim Kimble, bitch. This is what you call authentic darn gone work. So that's what I wanted to do. Just a quick 10-minute video to point out the hypocrisy that these people were going with, just trying to pin two beautiful queens. Now, that being said, Nicki Minaj, your ass still messy as fuck now. Now, this video is not to exonerate all the bullshit. Hold on 1 second, y'all. That's my personal life. Like I said before, I was so rudely interrupted. Yeah, it was so many people darn gonna getting the story wrong about them two darn gonna having issues with each other. And it turns out they ain't had no issues all along. So sometimes it goes to darn gonna double check your darn on sources. And I mean, that was a very easy thing that they overlooked. I did not get it. But once again, like I said, that did not exonerate Nicki Minaj for her plethora of bullshit that she's been going on with lately. Darn gone. Nicki Minaj, I just want you to do like Beyonce, just have several seats and just darn gonna take pictures without motherfucking captions. Honey, I just seen a darn gone picture of Beyonce at the darn gone doing an African performance. I done forgot that she supposed to be performing in Africa. Okay, let me stop because you know how Beyonce be with the motherfucking copyrights. That's all the thing y'all getting right there. It's 15 darn on seconds. But honey, her and Jay-Z done performed the darn on South Africa. I got to darn on look at the clips, but she posted some pictures and she don't hardly do no captions. People talk shit about her all the time, and she stay mum to the bullshit. That's what I want Nicki Minaj to get on. Bitch, you been in this game for 10 fucking years. And you darn on going back and forth with all these new... Honey, humble your darn on self. And let your work speak for it, motherfucker self. Now, your work don't do much better, but hell, at least I can say, compared to all this riffraff of today, you is the top of the darn on shit, honey. I can't say you the creme of the creme, bitch. You ain't Missy Elliott, but bitch, you is at least the top of the shit. You the paper amongst all the grime and stink and all that. At least you have some sort of substance and lyrics to your shit. And let it speak for itself. Same thing for Kim Kimble. I didn't feel the need that Kim Kimble even had to step off her pedestal to address the darn on wig maker, who the only thing his darn on styles are used for is Party City imitation wigs. He gives couture Party City wigs, and Kim, you felt the need to step off your motherfucking throne to address the wig maker. We ain't never seen Miss Tokyo style nobody's natural hair. We ain't never seen him style anybody's hair. He's always behind the scenes taking the pictures his damn self. Versus we've seen you multiple times in the spotlight with the stars. You is the celebrity darn on beautician. He's just a darn on behind the scenes hair. That only becomes in the forefront because he takes the pictures himself, thirst trapping. So it's like Kim. But see, y'all both can learn valuable lessons for this. True queens don't need to get down in the gutter. So while you was talking about that you an ego and you soar above the haters, honey, you was darn on praying down and hawking down a little bit too much, Kim. Because eagles actually darn on, soar in on the darn on chicken. So you said you was a darn on eagle and not a rooster, but you didn't need to be an eagle at all. What you needed to be was the queen that you are, and not get off your throne and darn on shuckle and jive with the jesters. That would have been the more appropriate analogy for you. Queens don't shuckle and jive with the court jesters. The jesters keep making the darn on shit out of their own damn selves. You sit up there. Queens work with fellow queens and network. That's your new slogan for now on. So that is it, y'all. That's my little 12 cents on this updated Tokyo Stylez, Nicki Minaj and Kim Kimble situation. Y'all leave y'all thoughts down below. And I'll see y'all soon with more videos. I'm now going to get caught up on some soaps. Like I said, been a busy week. I've been backed up on my soaps. What else I need to do? Oh, I also need to get downtown to do my darn on keyboard is still messed up, y'all. I need to do a typing test for this job. And they require 40 words per minute. I'm only able to type 35 because my B and N on the keyboard is messed up. So every time I go to type it in on the online keyboard and then try to go back to the regular keyboard, it's slowing me down. Normally I type 55 plus words per minute, but this keyboard with the letters, and I'm having to type on dual keyboards at the same time on online and offline. But anyways, all that will be on my business channel. Subscribe to that for more business videos. Subscribe to my vlog channel about, personal life, vlogs and all that. And this channel will stick to the occasional celebrity topics, but we focus more so on professional, skincare over here with the occasional hair care topic every now and again. So that is it, y'all. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon with more videos. Mwah.